Hi there, my name is Samantha and we recently just purchased some mats from greatmats.com. We had a great experience and we were in need of some mats to build out a playroom for our kids. Their ages are toddler range. We have a set of newborn twins also, so we definitely wanted to make sure that the playroom was going to be safe for everybody to run around and enjoy playing down there. And so we found the website to be super easy to use. We ended up getting the premium 5/8 of an inch 2x2 mats, and we ended up picking white and green just so it would be pretty neutral for us with our kids. And everything came super quickly. I would say just a few days for the mats to ship. It came in boxes, and from the time we took them from upstairs to the basement to installing was probably less than 30 minutes. It was really easy to figure out how to line all of the mats together, and yeah, loved the experience. So would 100% recommend. If we decide to expand a little bit of our basement and our playroom, we'll definitely be ordering again. So great experience, 10 out of 10.